In order to learn XD and have a better concept about its tools and features, instead of just starting from a blank page, let's do something cool. From your file menu over here, go to this section, get UI kits, ignore this guys for now and click on here, more UI kits. And as you click on that, it will open a new window from Adobe website on your browser, and here we have a list of UI kits. UI kits can help you with your design. There are projects done by some awesome designers. You can find more UI kits for Adobe Xd from the internet. This list only contains the one which were uploaded here in Adobe community. UI kits are a big help for you. You can get inspiration and use elements, assets and components from these UI kits into your design in order to speed up your design process. Here we have Apple, Google and Microsoft UI kits. They contain elements, assets and design styles in order to help you design for their operating system. If we scroll down here, we can see the rest of the UI kits. If you are completely new to Adobe Xd, I recommend go ahead and download all of these files. You are going to use them a lot in your projects. For this course, I have selected two of them. Social Meetup, I'm going to download it, and then Mentor Me. We'll talk about them and we'll investigate how two of the world-class designers use Adobe Xd's tools and features in their projects. So if you want to catch up with this course, download these two guys here. But as I told you, download them all because you are going to use them all when you are starting to learn Adobe Xd. Now that we have our resources, it's time to start working with the application, and the first step is learning how to move around the canvas. Make sure to subscribe to catch up with the course.